how to repeat a song on SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to loop or repeat a song on SoundCloud. So let's say you are listening to a track and you want it to play on repeat. So here is how you can do it. So first, open the SoundCloud app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply open up your favorite song on SoundCloud. And here, just start playing it normally like you would. And once you're inside the song, simply look at the bottom of the screen and simply tap on the three dash icon. And after tapping on it on the next page, simply select the music that you want to play. And here, once you have selected it, at the top right corner, you can see the loop icon. So just tap on it, and here, once you tap on it, the loop function will be enabled. So here, once it's turned on, the song will automatically repeat once it finishes. And here, if you want to turn it off, just tap on that button again, and after that, a playback will move on to the next track in the playlist or queue. And that's it. That's how easy it is to loop a song on SoundCloud. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.